What's going on YouTube? In today's video we're going to be turning this Towel 50cc into a 125cc monster. I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse while we turn this baby down, and we'll catch you again on assembly. Tore down, so now we got to put the frame onto the motor. These are only got 2 mountain bolts to hold them in, so I'm going to take a little bit of anti-seize and put in there just so they don't seize up. Couldn't get it in, so I had to get a little persuasion. Now that we got the engine on, we're going to go ahead and slide the throttle tube assembly on. These have a little notch that they sit in that aligns with this pin. Just make sure you have it aligned. It'll snap right in place once you get it. Now we got to install the wire and harness assembly, and we'll start with the coil. It's got one bolt that goes through the top. And a nut on the bottom. Now we got to run the wire and harness. I'm going to run it up. And then zip tie it like this. Then I'm gonna run it back here. Now we just gotta plug in the coil. Black goes to black and green goes to green. Hook up the kill switch, slide it on the bars. Write it down. Plug that up right there. I'm gonna zip tie all this up off camera, and I'll come back when the next step is due. All the wiring's hooked up, motor's in, everything's ready to go. Now we're gonna fire it up. Let's take a little bit of fuel and put it right down the fuel line. Fill that bowl up. Should be good. See if she'll fire up. Go ahead and get the exhaust mounted up. This ain't really the exhaust for this, so we'll see if we can get it. Got a little spacer on it. I believe this hole right here is for the stock exhaust. So we're going to try to utilize that. Now we got to put the tank on. It's 2 8mm head bolts. YouTube, this is the finished, well, not the finished product, but for right now it's rideable. It still needs a few more things. It needs a flywheel cover, and it needs brakes. It ain't got any brakes at all. I'm going to get some spoke covers. I'm going to paint the wheels black and do a graphic kit. You guys have to wait on that for part 2. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.